Hey guys, so we've got the Hoover Model 300. It's in really good shape. This one is one of the better, I don't know, it performs really well. That's all I can really say. So here we go. It has really good agitation. I think yeah, this one and the 725 have better agitation out of my coffee cans. Because those two have beater bars, unlike the first two I did. That's my Hoover Model 300. It does have a headlight, but it doesn't work right now, so eventually I'll get that working. Alright, thanks for watching. I'll have another vacuum up in a second.